Hello there. How are you? Thank you so much for stopping by and hanging out with me today. If you are new here, welcome. If you are not, welcome back. I'm Trixie and I upload videos 3 days a week. On Sundays, we just pretty much hang out and do random stuff, sort of vlog style. So if you want to be a part of that, definitely consider hitting that subscribe button and ringing that bell before you leave here today. That way you won't miss another upload. So today I have to repot my Chinese money plant. This did come in the mail last year. I think last year was whenever I did that subscription. I forget, I do YouTube and I have like actual records of the things that I purchased. So this came from the Houseplant shop subscription box. This is a pet-friendly subscription and this plant I got 9 months ago. I'll insert a picture right now of what this plant looked like whenever I first received it, and I will be linking that unboxing as well as my other Houseplant shop unboxings down below so you can check it out after today's video. So today I'm pretty much just going to be all hands and a voiceover. You ever look at a plant and you're just like, oh my gosh, that's so beautiful, and you just stare with kind of like heart eye emoji eyes? This is what this plant does to me. Whenever I first unboxed this, I did a kind of like help me name my plant, and a viewer suggested Ren, so that is what I call this plant. This is Ren, and Ren has had some little babies. So I'm going to repot Ren, the original plant, into this larger pot because I feel like she really needs room to really grow out. And then these smaller ones I'm going to repot in smaller pots. So what I always like to do whenever I repot things or just put plants in pots, I do like to get some that have drain holes, and I put coffee filters so that the soil doesn't leak out whenever I water them. You can also put pebbles underneath. Kind of does the same thing. All right, so I'm kind of afraid to do this surgery that I'm going to lose some portion of the plant. Go in with some bamboo utensils because I cannot find my shovel. Just kind of gonna break through. Hopefully that works. I really don't want to damage the root system. Whew. Here we go. This little baby plant. Ah, my goodness. Okay, so I'm gonna gingerly break this apart. Ah, the root's so embedded though. Let's see. Okay, so I just read. And I'm going to have to actually let these little babies, the new offshoots, sit in water for a few days. So come back for that video, and I'm just going to repot this initial one today. I guess I should have done that research before I started filming, but it's been quite a busy week. So let me do that. Let me cut. It says to cut as close to the soil as you can. Oh no, there's a new one coming up. There's so many. All right. Okay, so that's one. Two. And this little offshoot, I feel like that's a little too small. Like you can't even see it, like this little offshoot. 3, and 4. So I'm going to have, oh, there's 5? What? So many. All right, so I will get some mason jars to put these in. Back with these mason jars. And it says just to stick them in the water. So that's just what I'm going to do. It says that stick them in the water and then they're going to hang out for a few days. And then when roots start, then you pot them. So I'm going to do that, and that'll actually be a like part 2 video then. So subscribe if you do want to see that video. I'm going to take care of my main plant now, once I get these out of the way. So I'm going to remove some of the original soil. But keep that root system still, because like I can feel all of the roots are here. Yeah. So that's about it. I'm going to keep the rest. I wanted to get a bigger pot. Oh, the soil's so soft. So I wanted to get a bigger pot because I figured that this might have the same like goldfish concept, that the plant will get as large as the container. So hopefully my little baby will grow some more. Let's see, so this is what it looks like currently. I'm just gonna go in and fill the top up. And I'll put you with some relaxing music. So I do feed my plants with indoor plant food spikes, but since I just repotted this one, I'm going to hold off a few days to do that. So yeah, this is pretty much it. I definitely find that Ren looks much more comfortable in this. So hopefully she'll be able to grow and grow even larger and produce even more shoots. That is it for today's replanting video. Like I said, these little babies are going to take a few days to actually grow roots, and that will be another Sunday's video where I actually finish the propagation of this Chinese money plant. So I will see you back for that video. Now is the time that you can let me know how you liked today's video. Liked it and would like to see more plant content, give this video a thumbs up. If you didn't, you can give it a thumbs down. If there's somebody you know who likes pet-friendly houseplants, make sure that you share this video out with them so that they can enjoy this video as well. That is it for me today. Thank you so much for spending a little bit of your day with me. I hope that you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you in another video. Goodbye.